Hey guys, Jay Stevens here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create a landing page using ClickFunnels. So a landing page, also known as a capture page and squeeze page, is something you use to start collecting emails so you can start building a list. Now, as you may know, building a list is a must if you're in any online business, whether you're selling your own products or services or you're in affiliate marketing. So today I'm going to show you how to actually create a landing page so you can start generating leads for you and your business. After at the end of this video, I'm also going to be giving away my free top converting landing pages that you can use and you can put straight into your ClickFunnels account for free. So I'm just going to switch over screens now, and I'm going to show you step by step how to create a landing page. I'm logged into ClickFunnels now, and when building a new landing page or starting a new funnel, you just click on the top here where it says Add New. And then we'd click on Collect Emails, and then I'm just going to name this Testing Landing Page. And then you can select a group tag, but if you've not used ClickFunnels before, you wouldn't have any set up. But I've got some previous ones set up here, so I'm just going to click on Landing Page, and then you'd click on Build Funnel. I missed out the D there, but that's okay. So straight away they will load up the two steps here, which is an opt-in and a thank you page. So a thank you page is normally where people land on after subscribing to your opt-in form, or they could go to a sales page. So here are some templates. So we can scroll down and have a look at some of these templates, and we can also section off these templates by clicking here and then selecting if we want it to be a two-step, a video, thank you, red, green, blue, etc. So a two-step is when you'd come up with a page and then there'd be a button that will bring up a pop-up. So that's 2 steps to opting in. And you can also click here where it says click pop, and there's some more templates here. So we're just going to go back to the email opt-in, and we're going to choose a 2-step. Now this is the template that we're going to use. We can click on preview and it will come up at the top there. And then if you like what you see, you can just click on select template. So now that we've got the template loaded up, what we can do is we can just click here where it says edit page, and it will bring up the page builder. So from here we can hover over each section and we can start editing, or we can start putting in new sort of elements, rows, columns and sections. So here you can upload a logo. If you do have a logo and you want it uploaded, you'd just click here and then you'd click on this icon where you can start uploading your pictures to your ClickFunnels account. But for this example, I'm just going to delete this by just clicking on the logo and then clicking on the logo and then clicking delete. So I've got an example of what I want the page to look like, and it's similar to this one here, which is a landing page I used to give away a free training report. So it's going to be something similar to this. So at the top here we can just click on add element, and then we'd click on headline, but you can also insert some other bits here. For now, I'm just going to click on headline, and then for example, if I wanted to use this here, obviously this is already a landing page of mine, so I wouldn't recommend copying someone else's landing page. It's always good to do some research and have a look and then start putting things in your own words. So as you can see, that is quite a dark color and you can't really see it. So all you do is click on the cog setting here, and you can start changing the colors. So I'm going to put it, we're going to use a white color here. And you can also change the bold color. So I'll give an example. If we put that to red, it would then change only the text in bold. So we could just highlight this part here and then make that bold, and then that would be red. So we want this whole text to be a little bit bigger, so we click on the cog, and then at the top here you'd see a font size, and you can just get to the size that you want. So I'd say that about that is a good size. You can change the font here, and you can also change the top margin. So I think about there would do. Go here, and where it says the simple step-by-step blueprint for generating traffic, leads and sales on Facebook, I'm just going to copy that for the moment, and that's what I'm going to have here. So as you can see, it looks a bit ugly and it squashed itself in just a little bit. So all we'll do is click on the cog here, and we're going to change the font size. Now we can change the width and you can change the height and margin, but for now we're just going to make this a little bit smaller, and it's good there. Now on this bottom bit here, I'm just going to put, even if you've never made any money before, just going to double click, and again it's all the same. If you click on the cog, you can then change all of the text colors, and you can even go to advanced and start changing the height of the text, and again I'll cover that in another video, or you can add animation. So because this is a two-step process, obviously you want to be able to edit the part where they can enter their name and email, and you might want to change it so it's only their email address, and we're going to go over that bit in a second. So we're just going to use this text here. And then we can click on the button, and to change the text of the button you just put it in this box here, and you can change the button color by just going around here. So I'm just going to put it as a red at the moment, and I'm also going to change this red here just to make sure it matches, and it is the same red. Let's play around with that, make it a little bit darker there, that's fine there. So to show up the pop-up, you just hover over here where it says pop-up, and then we click on show pop-up. Now if you haven't chosen a two-step process, then you won't need to do that. So for here we're just going to change the text here. So it could be sign up now to get the free report. So we click on the cog here to change the size, and it fits nicely. There we are. So here is where they enter their name and email address. Now if you don't want their name, you can just simply click delete. And what you need to do, because this is in a row and it's split into two, we can just get this to drag it out, and then you can see where the line is, and then we can just delete that section there. I'm just going to obviously move this up above the button. So as you can see, they're quite close together. So what we can do, you're just going to click on the cog here, and then we're going to change the top margin of the button, and as you can see, that'll start moving the button down. I think that's about a good sort of space, and I'm also going to move this section down from the text as well until about there. Now if we click on edit pop-up settings, obviously we can start changing the background colors, and we can start changing the border colors and width, etc. And obviously you can just play around to sort of get what you want, and again I'll go over some more advanced sort of tricks and tips in another video. So what we'll do is on this button here, it will already be set to submit the form on page. If you need it to do any other actions, you just select here, but obviously as we want to collect the lead, we'd keep it the same, and then we'd press close. What we'd want to do from here is just click on SEO data, and that is where we're going to type in our title. So our title could just be free report, and then you put description here. Now my description is normally just the same as this text here, so I'll literally just copy this, and I'd go back into the data there, and then just paste that in there. And you don't have to click save, you just come out of that section, and I'll also then go to general, and then you can decide if you want it to show in the search engines and have the affiliate badge. That'd be the ClickFunnels. So for now I'm just going to hide that. And you want to make sure this is integrated with your ESP, so email service provider. One that I recommend is Aweber. I already have that integrated with my account, so I'll just click on integrations there, and then select Aweber, and then click on integrate existing form, and then my whole list will come up there. If I don't see my list there, I'll just click on refresh list, and then I'll be able to click on whichever one. So here I'm going to choose FB Live Fire Sale, which is affiliate promotion. So already here we have a landing page. Obviously that was quite a basic example there. I will be doing some more videos on some sort of a higher advanced training on how to edit all of the sections, rows, how to save your own sections, but I wanted this video to just be a basic video so you can start generating leads and start selling any services or making commissions as an affiliate. So the same rules apply here on each template. We just hover over each section. You got sections, rows, columns and elements. You just hover over each one and edit them by clicking on the cog. We can duplicate them by clicking here. We can move them around when we hover over the move button, or we can just delete. And again, you can change the colors, a normal with a button text. it actually comes up here. You won't be editing it like a normal text there. So guys, like I said, I will be giving away 3 of my higher top converting landing pages. Now obviously to take this, you will need to have a ClickFunnels account, as when you click on the link it will load up straight into your account as long as you're logged into ClickFunnels. So if you're using another builder, you know, the same sort of rules apply with creating landing pages, but you're going to be a little bit different depending on what you're using. Some other good ones are OptimizePress, but I do highly recommend using ClickFunnels. You can get a 2-week trial. I will have a button below where you can start up a 2-week trial, and then you can sort of take my templates, have a play around with it, and if you like it, obviously you can stay on after the 14 days, and I do highly recommend it. So after there, all we'd click on is save, and that will start to save, and then we can click on preview, and then that will come up. So this is our landing page, and this is where they enter their email address, and then you just click on ready, and then that will take them to the next step, which will be the thank you page, or you can lead them to a sales page. We do want to take them straight to an affiliate offer or sales page. You just click here where it says general, and then you'd click on submit, go to, and then we're just going to press Google for now. So what we're going to do now is just click on save, and then we're going to go to preview. So then when someone enters their email address, it will then go to the page, and we've selected Google. So that's it guys, that's today. So now you know how to create a landing page using ClickFunnels. You know, I have some details below this video on how to get my top high converting landing pages, and also a button so you can start your 14-day free trial with ClickFunnels. I hope you've enjoyed it. Take a look around my blog, or go to my website if you want some more training and tutorial videos. Other than that guys, have a great day and start collecting leads for your business. Cheers. Bye bye.